my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. My brother and I were talking about our favorite barbecue foods. At one point, he brought up something I never tried before, and it's beer can chicken. Piquing our curiosity, we bought a little stand and made it. This recipe is so delicious. Beautifully seasoned, the meat is amazingly moist. It's a great one to make this summer. So let's get cooking. We'll start by making the rub. In a bowl, we'll add canola oil, my chicken spice mix, which the link is on the top right corner of your screen, and then brown sugar. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended and set aside. Next, we'll pour our favorite beer into the canister that comes with the stand and tray. You can buy the kit at most hardware store or online. If you don't have one, there's another alternative, so read the blog. To this, we'll add a couple fresh basil leaves, followed by 3 sprigs of thyme, plus a large clove of garlic, peeled and quartered. If they're floating, we'll simply push them down so they can flavor the beer nicely. We'll place the lid on, making sure it's secured, and slide it into that little stand sitting on the tray. I have to say, it's pretty well done. This is what we're using, and no, that Stephen guy is not paying me to promote it. Now, we'll take our chicken and sit it right on top of the canister, moving its legs forward so it sits comfortably. Oh boy. Then we'll brush on or rub evenly so it covers the entire bird. When this step is done, we'll move on to the barbecue. With the heat between 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll place the stand in the middle of the grill with indirect heat coming from each side, close the lid, and cook until the internal temperature reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the size of your guy, it can take anything from 1.5 to 2 hours. After 45 minutes it has been sitting there, literally, we'll brush on some of my barbecue sauce for chicken, which the link is on your screen. We'll close the lid and repeat every 15 minutes until it's done. And my friends, this is our beer can chicken. Full of flavor, this roasting method gives incredible results. Basted from the inside and well seasoned outside, this is a delicious barbecue recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!